Hello and welcome to Stoke Audi. My name's Ben and today I'll be showing you around this big family favourite, approved used Audi Q7 S line 3 litre TDI quattro with 272 PS and the tiptronic automatic gearbox. This particular Q7 is finished in the Sepang Blue pearlescent paint finish, which gives this car a real stunning unique look. Coming to the front of the vehicle, we do have this car's full LED headlights. These offer a really nice bright beam and really light up those dark road conditions. As we make our way around to the front of the vehicle, we can see this car's black styling cues. This includes the black side vents, the black grille, and again those black side vents to the side. We also have this Audi's legendary quattro badging, signalling that this car does have the four-wheel drive system. Coming around to the side of the vehicle, we do have this car's 21-inch 5 twin-spoke design Audi Sports alloy wheels, which are finished in the titanium look. These give this car some massive presence on the road and really adds to this car's extremely sporty styling. Just some more information on this particular Q7. It is a 2018 model and has covered just over 39,700 miles. It's a diesel and it comes in automatic. And as we come closer into the vehicle, we'll take another look at those 21-inch alloy wheels. Show me what really nice condition they are in. And we have more of those black styling cues with the rear privacy glass, the black trim around the windows, the black finish to the door mirrors, and the black roof rails to the top. This all adds a really stunning contrast to this car's Sepang Blue paint finish. To the sides, we also have these side steps, allowing you to easily enter and exit this tall vehicle. Coming around to the rear of the vehicle, we do have this car's rear parking sensors, perfect for if you haven't had a vehicle of this size before. We also have the rear LED headlights, which do feature the dynamic indicators. Opening this car's rear tailgate does reveal this car's 775 litres of boot space. As you can see to the back, this is a 7-seater Audi, with the rear seats folding down nice and flat to create a nice large load space, while the rear scuff plate tabs protect the rear of the vehicle when sliding items inside. To the side, we do have the electronic adjustment buttons for those rear seats, allowing you to extremely easily fold them up and down. Pulling this tab will lower the headrest when you want to lower them again. And just simply pull the headrest up to get it up and ready for a person to sit there. As you can see, there's still a nice amount of space even when the two rear seats are up. Closing this button here will automatically close that rear tailgate for you. And as we come through to the driver's side door, stepping inside this vehicle, you're greeted with this car's premium interior. The front seats are incredibly supportive and in this car are finished in the full leather material. Taking a closer look, we can also see the embossed S logos just below the head restraint. And helping the driver to find that perfect driving position are the electronic adjustment controls for these seats, as well as these seats' four-way lumbar support controls. This gives the driver a lot of customization in the seat's positioning, and again helps them to find that perfect driving position. From the driver's perspective, we can see this car's full leather flat bottom multifunction perforated steering wheel, which does contain the controls for the multimedia systems. We have the cruise control stalk, which is perfect for those longer motorway journeys, giving the driver's foot a rest from that accelerator pedal. And we have the paddle shifters, which gives the driver a sportier feel behind the wheel. This car does feature Audi's fantastic virtual cockpit display. This allows the driver to customize what is shown on the screen using the buttons that are located on the steering wheel. You can select from a different range of menu options, as well as pressing the view button gives you a nice wide view of the satellite navigation system. Using the scroll wheel, we can easily select things like the DAB radio station of choice, as well as scroll through the car's information and settings. Moving over to this car's intuitive MMI display, which is all controlled via the dial, buttons and drawing pad in the center console. We can select from options like this car's full DAB radio with a good choice of radio stations, We have the Audi smartphone interface, perfect for connecting your mobile phone to the car to do things like stream your music or take those hands-free calls. This car does feature the full satellite navigation system. Using the scroll wheel, we can easily zoom in and out. While going onto the navigation system, you can easily draw in on the drawing pad your chosen destination. As you can see, the drawing pad is really nice and large and makes it nice and easy to draw in that destination. Once you're finished, simply push down on the scroll dial and select the destination of choice from the options given. We also have this car's Audi Drive Select system. This being a quattro model, we do get the off-road setting. We also can choose from efficient, comfort, auto, dynamic and individual driving styles. Moving further down and pressing this button here or putting the car into reverse will automatically activate those front and rear parking sensors, as well as this car's really nice rear view camera. Turning the wheel will dictate where those orange lines point, giving you a great view of where the car will end up. And this is perfect again for avoiding those obstacles that may be around you, as well as giving you a real nice clear view to the rear of the vehicle. And it's perfect again if you haven't had a vehicle of this size before. Coming further down, we do have this car's 4-zone climate control setting dials. The digital dials make it really nice and easy to change the temperature inside the vehicle, while the middle button allows you to do things like change the fan intensity as well as the fan's direction. To either side, we do have the controls for the 2 front heated seats. These are perfect for those colder British mornings, and pressing them multiple times will change the intensity as well as turning them back off again. Down in this little cubby hole here, we do have a 12-volt power socket. This is perfect for using a range of in-car accessories. We have 2 cup holders for keeping your drinks nice and steady on those journeys. And we have the audio control dial, which allows you to change volume and track in the vehicle without needing to take your eyes off the road. Coming a bit further back, we also have this car's automatic tiptronic gearbox, which does feature the electronic parking brake. Letting in a ton of light into this vehicle is this car's full panoramic sunroof. Pushing back the tab here, we'll open the sunshade and lets in a stunning amount of light, while the glass to the top is nice and tinted, taking away some of that harsh glare that the sun may give, as well as giving some UV protection. Should you want to let some more air into the vehicle, the panoramic roof also opens. It gives a great full view of the sky above, as well as letting some nice air into the vehicle. And as you can see, when the days get a bit gloomy again, or you want to keep yourself nice and shaded, everything closes back up again. The rear of the vehicle is finished in the same plush leather material as the front, while the rear seats do contain the child ISOFIX anchor points. These allow you to easily install a child car seat into the rear of the vehicle. And the rear middle passengers also benefit from a central armrest with fold-away cup holders. This can all easily be folded away should you need the middle central seat. And coming to the back, we do have the controls for the 2 rear zones of the climate control. Again, the digital dials make it really nice and easy to change the temperature, while the buttons to the centre allow you to change the fan intensity as well as the fan's direction. Moving a bit further down below, we do see there are also 2 12-volt power sockets, which are perfect for keeping those kids' devices nice and charged, especially on those longer journeys, keeping them nice and entertained. So thank you for coming on a tour of this approved used Audi Q7. If you would like any more information on this vehicle, please don't hesitate to give our team a call on 01782 488 205. Thank you.